Don't let that annoying Xbox app error 0x000001 stop you from installing your games. We're fixing this right now. This error code means something is fundamentally blocking the Xbox services from writing game data to your drive, causing a critical installation failure. If you're stuck with this 0x000001 error on your PC, these methods will get your games downloading again. First, we need to ensure all Xbox related services are running correctly. We'll restart the Xbox game services, the Xbox Live Network service, and the gaming services themselves, as these are the engines that power game installations. If that first step doesn't clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in system permissions or corrupted app data, which brings us to method 2, where we'll reset and repair the Xbox app entirely to clear out any bad temporary files that might be causing the installation glitch. Should the problem persist, it's time to clear the Microsoft Store cache, as this often resolves underlying connection issues that prevent games from being added to your library. Finally, if none of those steps work, we'll perform a system file integrity check to ensure no critical Windows files are damaged, which is a less common but powerful fix for persistent installation problems.